Charles Darwin, who brought forth the theory of evolution, claims that all living beings descend from a single progenitor. In the case of human beings, he states that we are descendants of lower ape like animals, implying humans and all kinds of apes have a common ancestor. One of the few proofs he presents to support his claim is his idea of rudimentary or vestigial organs. In his book, The Descent of Man, he states that vestigial organs are obvious proofs of our descent from lower animals. According to him, rudimentary or vestigial organs are organs in the human body that are left over from our remote ape ancestors. He proposes they are mere leftovers by claiming they are absolutely useless for us now, but were functional and important parts of our body back when we were lower animals. Therefore, his theory of evolution very much depends on the organs he lists as vestigial being really useless as he claims they are. One of the few organs he lists as vestigial is the human external ear, or pinna. He claims that our remote ancestors that used to live in a dangerous jungle needed a pointed and mobile ear like animals now have to be able to detect incoming sound and protect themselves from danger. But because they became arboreal as they evolved over time, they lost the need to have a movable, pointed ear, and so the external ear now is just a remnant of theirs and is of absolutely no use, since we can't even move it around. He writes in his book, the whole external shell may be considered a rudiment, together with the various folds and prominences, which in the lower animal strengthen and support the ear when erect without adding much to its weight. But is that really the case? Is our external ear useless? Science says otherwise. The human ear is such an intricately designed part of the body that plays a vital role. Its shape, position, and curves are all intentionally put there with purpose. Let's list the major functions of the human ear. 1. Sound collection and amplification. The curves and the folds of our external ear amplify certain sound frequencies, especially those in human speech range, making them louder and easier to hear, even in a noisy setting. 2. Sound localization. The curves and ridges of our ear manipulate incoming sound in a subtle way, giving our brain cues about where sound is coming from. This helps us in navigation, safety, and communication. 3. Funneling effect. Our outer ear acts like a funnel, directing sound into the ear canal. It also increases the intensity of sound that reaches our eardrum while reducing background noise to allow us to focus on important sounds. 4. Protection of the ear canal. The pinna protects sensitive structures inside our ear by shielding the ear canal from dust, dirt, water, and insects because of its unique position and shape. In conclusion, contrary to Darwin's belief, not only the external ear, but all other organs in the human body he refers to as vestigial or rudimentary have been proved to be very important parts of our body put there for a purpose. This goes to show that his theory of evolution does not really hold water when his claims are put to test.